Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I get the perfect blonde hair at home, so make sure to watch till the end for styling tips and mistakes to avoid. So for these I'll be using the SHOWTIME system for hair ultra light blonde powder. It's a blonde powder. It's kind of blue in color. It's really nice. This is what I've been using. And also you'd need a cream peroxide oxidant cream. For this I'll be using 9% 30 volume. You have 12%, you have other ones, but this one is 9% 30 volume. Also you need gloves, a one size gloves, just an ordinary gloves to protect your hands, to avoid irritation, because you'll be working with really strong chemicals. Then I'll be using a bowl, a plastic bowl that I do not use for food. So I have my gloves on. I'm just gonna put some of the powder in the plastic bowl. Next, I'm gonna add the cream peroxide solution. I honestly do not have like a measurement guide, I just try to like mix it up to get a consistency that I really like. I'm not a very serious person, so you look at me using my pencil or my pen to mix it up. So just use anything you have to mix it up. So I'm just adding a little bit more of the peroxide solution because I really want the consistency to be really nice, like not too thick and not too light, just like in between. So just mix it until you like the consistency. So this is my hair, and I had the blonde hair before, but now I have like black undergrowth. So I really just want to bring it to a nice blonde color that you saw in the beginning of the video. So don't be like me. Before putting on your dye, try to comb your hair, just to make sure everything is smooth and nice. So now I'm just going to add the mixture to my hair. So I'm going to speed this up a bit so I don't bore you guys. So at this point, I realized that the mixture I made was not enough, and I still have some part of my hair that I haven't touched. So I'm just gonna mix up a little bit more and add that onto the remaining parts. So this is me just trying to make sure that I have dye on every part of my hair, because it's really not easy when you're doing this alone. So I try to use my mirror, use my phones to just make sure that I get it everywhere. I also do a quick comb through my hair, you know, just to make sure that it touches everywhere. I really do not want a situation whereby I would have like blonde hair on the upper part and the lower part would still be black. So, and I make sure that I had like the dye from the comb back to my hair, you know, just spread it on top of it. I also make sure to clean my ears and my skin, you know, to avoid irritation of any kind from the dye mixture. It's really strong. So I'm just gonna wait for 40 minutes. This is 40 minutes after, and I can see that the dye is really dry, so I'm just gonna wash it off now. This is after washing it off, and as you can see, we have like this yellow blonde. This is not what we want. No. So this is the next day, and I would really advise to wait till the next day, at least 12 hours before applying again, you know, because the last time I tried this, I did it the same day, and honestly, like, my head was literally burning. I really regretted that. So I advise for you to wait for like 12 hours at least before applying the dye solution again. So this is me just trying to comb through my hair to make sure everything is smooth and nice and ready for application. If you remember, for the first application I used the 9% 30 volume, but not today. This time I'll be using the 12%, which is the 40 volume peroxide. This is really stronger than the first one, and honestly I would advise to even use this for the first and second application to get like a really light blonde. So I'm just going to do the same thing, you know, mix it up with the blonde powder, the same blonde powder, but this time just using like the 12% peroxide 40 volume, like I said. So I'm just going to mix it up till I get a really nice consistency and apply that to my hair. You know, I'm just trying to make sure that I have it on every part of my hair, you know, just to avoid discoloration or mixed colors. So also don't forget to comb through. I like to do this, you know, to make sure everything is smooth and also clean up your skin. So this was 40 minutes later, and I still felt a tingling sensation, which meant that the solution was still working on my hair. So I decided to keep it on for a bit more before washing it off. So this is an hour and 20 minutes later, so I'm gonna wash it off now. This is after washing off, and as you can see, like, there's a lot of difference from the result from the first application. So now I'm going to shampoo my hair. I'm using the purple shampoo. This is going to help to like strip off the remaining of the color from my hair. So this is after washing up the shampoo. I like this blonde, it's nice. So I'm gonna use the leave-in cream conditioner, you know, just on top of that, rub it in. Then I'm gonna brush it, you know, I just really like to style my hair and make it look really nice. This is what I do when I want a slick down. I put in some coconut oil. And for the gel, I like to use the edge booster. It's really nice for my 4C hair. It slicks down everything and makes it look really slick and nice. So this is me just styling my hair, you know, just to give it that sweet baby look. It's really nice. This is my favorite part of everything, styling my hair. Then I put on a do-rag, you know, just to make sure that everything lays really nice and sweet. So, and that's it, guys. So this is how it looks like, you know, after makeup and everything, looking sweet and nice. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.